Hi and welcome back to Wig Studio One. I'm Eileen. Today, Tony of Beverly. This style is called Starly. The color is Rooted Tahiti Blonde. This wig was provided, of course, by Wig Studio One, and there will be a link in the drop-down box where you can purchase this as well as lots of other information. So be sure to check the drop-down box. Please like and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. We are uploading several times a week, so be sure to turn on the bell notifications. Now, Wig Studio One is here to answer any questions or concerns you might have, so please don't hesitate to reach out to them. You can reach them at support@wigstudio1.com, and you can also live chat with our customer service department during normal business hours via the wigstudio1.com website. Also, if you're new to our channel, welcome. We're so glad you're here. Please consider joining us in our private Facebook group, Wig Studio One Wig and Topper Support Group. It is a wonderful group of people there, over 24,000 people, and we have wig sales, we have contests, we have giveaways, we talk about wigs, we show wigs. It is a very fun place to be, so please consider joining us over there. Let's have a look at Tony of Beverly Starly. Now, first of all, Starly is available in over 40 shades, so there's indeed something for everyone. But let's talk about Rooted Tahiti Blonde. So this shade, as you can tell, has brown lowlights, lighter, cooler blonde highlights, darker roots. There's a lot of ash in this color. I'm going to show it to you also in some different types of lighting, but I just wanted to talk about it. Now, these studio lights, especially with the blondes, will really wash out these colors. That's why it's really important to show it to you in different lighting. Also, it makes these blondes look really shiny. This is not shiny. To my eye, when I don't have these lights on, I don't get that shine. But I understand with the blonde shades that it can come across as a little shiny, but even if you think that they are a little shiny for you, just keep in mind you can use some dry shampoo, you can do a quick cool soak on these, and that will definitely take care of that. How fun is this style? Now, this is a very shaggy style, which I think is fun, casual. I like to throw it on with something just like this, a jean jacket, and just let this be what it is. Just shaggy, fun, easy to wear. It has this little layered side swept bang. You could trim that if you wanted to. This one also has an extended lace front, and I think that is a beautiful lace front they have here. I want to show you the coverage there and there. So it has good coverage. So it has a really nice lace front. Now fit. This fit me quite large. I have a 21¼ inch head circumference. I definitely took this in my opinion, this will stretch up easily to a 22. So it does run quite large. Now permatease, there is a lot of permatease in this wig. Like I said, it has an extended lace front, but it's a basic cap. I will show it to you. But there is a lot of permatease here. You can really work this and make it really big if you would like to. There's permatease all in the nape, all in the top. I just feel a lot of permatease in this wig. So the specs of Starly, the bangs are 5 to 7. So they are layered, a long bang like I'm showing you. Like I said, you could trim this if you would like, make them a little shorter, or just sweep them off to the side, which is really adorable. Also, the sides are 6 to 6.5 on this one. The crown is 4 to 5 inches. It has a 2.5 inch nape, and it weighs 3.03 ounces. These are not heat-friendly fibers. However, on these bangs, if you wanted to, you could use a hot air brush, and I have my Hot Tools hot air brush. I will link it below. I would use these on these bangs just to bump it under just a little bit. There's also a video here on the Wig Studio One channel that shows how to use a hot air brush on synthetic fibers. Of course, do that at your own risk, but you can use a hot air brush on synthetic fibers because this does not get hot enough to damage the fibers. You would not want to use a curling iron, a flat iron, or anything like that. Okay, let's look at the cap. I want to show you the inside of this cap. Again, it has the extended lace front. Open wefted. An extended felt nape. And you can see how far I had to bring that in. Closed ear tabs with stays. And then, yes, there's definitely permatease in the top of this. And it's a lot of stretch. There's still a lot of stretch in this wig. Like I said, easily fit a 22 in my opinion. All right. Now, let's talk about styling just a little bit. I think I would start off with a little sea salt spray. I just have a little sea salt spray here, and I'm just going to spray this on here, and you'll see exactly what I'm doing. I'm just going to separate these fibers. Just by doing that, I'm just making it a little messier. I like that way you can kind of see how textured this is. And again, separate the fibers. Give it, I like the texture that this product creates. I like the messy look on my wigs. I think that is the most natural look in my opinion, and the sea salt spray really helps create that messy look. That's easy to do. Let's see, you can put it on with a little headband. Wear it that way. Also, I like these headbands that are just kind of stretchy all the way in the back, and you just can slip them all the way over. I wear these a lot. Now, I normally wouldn't have on earrings and all of that when I put this on, so let me try to work around that a little bit. And I just like to put it over that, leave the bangs out a little. Sweep them over a little bit. Play with that headband. You can pull it back a little more if you want. Now you could pull the bangs back and wear it that way. Pull out a little hair on the front. This is very comfortable. This headband is soft and makes it super easy to wear. It's another fun way. And like I said, there's just no wrong way to wear this. You just you might want to steam this. This might fall a little. I'm just going to show you. It tends to want to fall a little. You might need to steam that off your face if that's what you want, or trim those bangs just a little bit like we were talking about. Let's see how it looks with a pair of glasses. I wear my glasses over my ear tabs. No problem there at all. You could just twist it. I do this a lot. I take the front and I start twisting right at the base of that lace front, and I'll add a little bit of hair as I go along, and I will clip it back just with any kind of little braid, and that just gets it off my face. It's just all kinds of things you can do with these styles. Just with some inexpensive hair accessories, you can really change up your whole look. Okay, I hope you enjoyed that look at this fun, messy style Starly from Tony of Beverly. Again, please like and subscribe to our channel and leave us lots of comments. Tell us, have you tried this brand? Which ones do you like? Which ones do you want us to review? And we'll do our best to get some reviews out here for you of Tony of Beverly. Thank you again, and I'll see you next time.